back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing today in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we may love at home, guys. And all me, I always coming out with different kind of recipes and different kind of things. But anyway, I want to give you this recipe. This recipe is a Jamaican recipe. It's gonna be lovely. I know you guys are going to love this one. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me and get your favorite recipe and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I have a few things which I'm gonna be announced very soon, and I'm gonna make my fans know exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. I love you all. Remember, next month is coming up to America. Lovely. Welcome back into the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, take it away, Jamaican Valley season. That's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be doing a blend up spicy jerk chicken today in Chef Ricardo kitchen. First of all, I must say I have some chicken thigh right here, about 6 pieces, and I'm gonna do a jerk chicken blend up season jerk chicken. Well, you know what, man? Let's call it Jamaican jerk chicken. I know, I mean, as usual. First thing, wash off your chicken with some lemon. That's the first thing you want to do. I'm going to be using the Jamaican Valley jerk season, which is really good, and it's all of their season. What we're going to do, the first thing what I'm going to do is this. All right, this is few pimento seed. I'm gonna pop straight inside of the blender. Let's put some pimento seed in the blender first. All right, second thing, I have some fresh thyme. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it. 3 cloves of garlic straight inside of it. No time to waste. Half of a white onion. That's what I'm going to do. Half a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, you know what? Let's finish it off. Half of the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. And then what I'm going to do is cut 2 spring onion and put it straight inside of it like that. A piece of a ginger. Then we're going to go to the Jamaican Valley season now. I'm going to give you a different kind of recipe of how you can do your jerk chicken at home. 1, 2. Alright. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of the jerk season right here. Let's put how this bag is finished. And then we're going to put some all-purpose season inside of it. One, 2 tablespoons of the all-purpose season. We put all of the seasoning in there. We put the chicken season, we put the chicken spice, and also all of the rest of seasoning. Now what we're going to do is just put a little bit of oil inside of it to fry up the blender. Next, what we can also do, put a tablespoon of paprika. Then cover it and just blend it for about 3 seconds or 4 seconds. Yeah, it depends how good your blender is. Nice and lovely. So basically, this is the chicken. Just finish blend the season. Remove the lid. And just put that one side. Alright? Guys, here it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it out of this and put it right straight on the chicken. Alright? So we blend up all of the season for the chicken. Alright? After you do that, what you can do next is we're going to get a few pieces of thyme and put upon it like this, just to bring in a nice lovely flavor to the chicken. Also, I have the rest of half of the white onion. Just put that on it like this. Make it cook down and marinate with it also. What you're gonna do now is rub up the chicken. This is a fantastic jerk chicken, guys. Especially if you ever want, just marinate up the chicken and just leave it overnight like this, then you can get the real flavor of the chicken. If you notice how I did the chicken, and not even, I just simple make the paste and just rub it up. Alright. Alright. Nice one. Two things. You can either leave your chicken for it to soak for roughly about 3 to 4 hours, or you can cook it instantly if you want to. But I'm just gonna cook this instantly because right now I'm hungry and I need some chicken in my soul. Alright, and I'm gonna lay them on a piece of a grease-proof paper for the oven. Like you guys see exactly what I go on a Chef Ricardo kitchen. As you can see, oh, I did my chicken just now. Very easy and simple. There's a secret what you can also do if you like, is glaze a little bit of honey over it like this. Honestly, that does bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken also, if you don't like, if you don't mind. You don't have to, but I'm just saying that does bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken. And also you can crack a little bit of pepper on it. Preheat your oven. That is a very important thing for you guys to do, is to get your oven really hot and a high temperature. And also, next, what you can do, bake this in your oven for roughly 30 to 40 minutes and get that perfect cook, that wonderful cook, that flavor in the chicken what you're looking for. Second thing, after you cook it, this can be served with anything you like to serve it with, guys. It's just gonna be amazing. It's just a simple recipe. If you're at home and you want to do something very quickly, blend up some season, get the Jamaican Valley season, blend it up. And also what you can do next is simple. Go to www.jamaicavalley.com and get their season and use it to marinate the chicken, and you can get that flavor in your chicken also. You can use my code Chef Rick, CHEFRIC 123. That's my code, and you can't go wrong. 10% anytime you buy anything off of the website. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Nice one. So now we're going to put the chicken in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes on a medium size heat. Gas mark 8 or 7 is very good. Not a high temperature, because you don't want to overcook your chicken. You want it on a perfect cook. So gas mark 7 or 8 if you're using different kind of oven. 175 is the ice you can go with your chicken. So now I'm gonna pop it in for 30 to 40 minutes. Alright guys, thank you so much. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just take the chicken back from the oven, and as you can see, the way the chicken looking juicy and nice. And this is the chicken thigh. I can go with gungo rice and peas, plain rice, whatever you like to have it with, you can have it with it, guys. It's just looking lovely and amazing. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. I got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We will give you the best and the best recipe ever from Chef Ricardo. So see you next time. Bye bye. And as you can see, 40 minutes I'll leave it in the oven for because I'm using an electric oven, so it takes a little longer. So, but hopefully guys, you like the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Chicken looking really lovely, tasty and nice, and hopefully we can come with more best and better in the future. This is from Chef Ricardo, and don't go nowhere. Stay right there.